welcome to my channel. It's Donelle. So winner, I joined I didn't join. I entered a giveaway that MelodySusie was doing and I won, yay! So it is the Pretty and Divine gel collection. So it's really pretty. And I did open it because I thought it was just the gel polishes. I don't even know if it said it when I entered it, but I thought it was just, I knew it was the gel polishes, and one of the questions, you had to like answer the questions or whatever, and I said the pink. I don't know if I said this pink or the hot pink, but I said pink, I know that. So I thought it was just the gel polishes, but look, when you open it, let me get rid of this because it's in the way and reflecting. So it is not just gel polishes. It comes with the 4 polishes. It comes with a cuticle oil brush. I love these. They're so convenient to carry with you in your purse or whatever. It also comes with a detail brush and a dotting tool ended. So it's a detail brush on one end and a small dotting tool on the other end. And also came with some, I think these are called like AB crystals, just some little crystals. You know, they're like multifaceted. And 2 little mini file buffers. And it came with these cute little swatch sticks. Aren't those cute? I really like those. So I've never seen anything like this. Handy though, because that would kind of be space saving if you could have multiple swatches on like something compact like that. But for the sake of keeping all of my stuff consistent, I'm going to swatch them on my regular swatch sticks so that I can add them to the ring that my other MelodySusie products are on. So this is $4.80 and I'm guessing it's just black. That's what it looks like. I do have MelodySusie's Fleur-Oui, one of their Fleur-Oui collections, and it has a black in it, but I don't think it's this black. It's a little bit more translucent than this. So this is like pretty opaque. Wow. So this is not PR or sponsored or anything. It's just a giveaway that I won. It's really nice. I'm going to have to stop saying sorry for my squeaky chair because it's never ending. No matter what I do, it's squeaky. I've never had a chair squeak so much. This is 072. It's a red. Yeah, like it's kind of a pinkish leaning red. I think with 2 coats you'll really see how red it is. See how it looks pink up here. Right. I'll do the hot pink. This is 027. Whew. That is not hot pink, that is neon. Fun though. It's super summery. Their polishes level so fast and so nice. Then the lighter pink 012. Just giving it a second, everything just levels so beautifully. Okay, so I got them out the lamp and I went ahead and did a second coat on each of them, and look how fabulous they are. This is such a really cool collection. I don't really celebrate Valentine's Day in my personal life, but I do like to do Valentine's Day or love and even anti-love themes with like nails and my art and stuff. So I can already have like ideas for this. Like, this is like your love, this is your anti-love, you know. And then you put that pink and black together, and then you got some like 90s stuff going on. I don't know, I just really like it. I think they're cool. Very cool colors. I'm so excited. I can't believe I won. So thank you so much, MelodySusie, for the opportunity. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.